guys, welcome back to my wonderful channel. It's your girl Joy, aka Miss Jovou. If you're new to my channel, darling, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, today's video I'm just going to show you guys my mom's wash and go routine. Okay, so the day I got my hair curl done, she came along during the day and she was like, oh, I want to wash my hair because she took down her stitches. And if you guys haven't seen the video where my mom went to get her hair done, I got my Ghana weaving, she got her stitches. Her hair lasted longer than mine, so she took her hair down, I think a day before. I think it was on Friday. The next day she had to like wash her hair. So she came to the salon where I went to wash my hair, where I got my hair curl done. The product she used to wash her hair are kind of a little bit of like bottles, so I don't want you guys to like start asking where did she get. You know those travel sets that you just carry when you're like traveling, you just put a little bit of shampoo and all that. Just in case you see those bottles, those little cute bottles, just know that they are just normal shampoo and conditioner. So those were the products she used, and then the lady also had to go in with Mega Good conditioner and Mega Good shampoo on her hair. Then after washing the hair, using rollers because she wanted her hair to like kind of have a little bit of curl, but later she had to comb it out. And therefore to watch to the end for more details. Okay. So guys, I hope this video is helpful to each and every one of you. So if you have relaxed hair, you have natural hair, this is just my mom's simple wash and go routine. That's what she does. If she doesn't go to the salon, she wash it at home by herself, or I'll help her wash her hair for her at home. So these are just simple, just go in with shampoo and conditioner, and this is her routine for her relaxed hair, because my mom has been on relaxed hair for a long time. I really can't remember how long. Hair is so long, healthy. Sometimes people mistake her hair to be weak because it's long and nice and everything is just good. If you are relaxed hair and you're looking for a routine, just work with what you have, work with products that is good for your hair. That's what I'm going to tell you about hair. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to each and every one of you. If it was, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share it to your family and friends, and subscribe, turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.